Okay, this is You Do round 1, and these problems are no joke. So GH, segment GH with endpoints -8, -9, that's left and down, and H, 1, 4, right and up. Let's just show what that thing kind of looks like. So -8, -9 is something like this. And then 1, 4 is something like this. So segment GH is kind of like this. Determine the length of one of 5 equal segments. So that means we're going to cut it up into 5 equal segments and say how much is one of them. But to do that, we have to know how long this is. To find out how long this is, we're going to figure out, well, how far is it to the right and how far up is it? So to the right, we're at -8. This is x equal -8. So 8 units and then 1 more unit. So this is 9 units right. Now how far up it is? Well, we're at y equal -9 down here. Y equal -9. So we go up 9 and that gets us to the x-axis and then up 4 more. So 9 and 4, this is up 13. If you didn't catch how this is 9 to the right and this is up 13, pause the video and look at it again. Okay, so now we know that the hypotenuse squared equals 1 leg squared plus the other leg squared. So now we're going to substitute, and this is GH. So GH squared equals 9 squared plus 13 squared. So 9 squared is 81, 13 squared is 169. So if we add these, what do we have? Like 170 plus 80, this is 250. So GH squared equals 250 units. That didn't tell us how far GH is. To find GH, we need to take the square root of both sides. So now we'll say GH equals the square root of 250. So the square root of 250, we're talking about 25 times 10. We're talking about 5 times 5 to get to 25 times 10. Duplicate 5s. So now 5 can come out. So GH, this whole diagonal, equals 5 times the square root of 10 units. But now we need to find just one piece out of 5 equal pieces on GH. So we need to now divide this by 5. So GH divided by 5 equals 5 times the square root of 10 divided by 5. Now watch this one carefully. 5 times the square root of 10 divided by 5, this is 5 divided by 5 is 1 times the square root of 10. Do not touch the square root of 10. That's on the inside of the radical, and there's nothing on the inside of the radical to divide by. So this is just 1 times the square root of 10 units, or you could just write the square root of 10 units for 1/5 of GH. Great job, Smarty Pants!